Hello, my dear Libra. Welcome back to Practical Mystic. Ngayon ay alamin natin ang mensahe para sa iyo sa buwan ng Nobyembre. Gamit ang mga tarot cards na to. I have 3 cards from the Lightseer Tarot deck, 3 cards from Beginner Tarot deck, 3 cards also from Tarot of Opposition. I also have 3 cards from Karma Cards and Powerful Thought cards by Louise Hay. At babasahin ko ang mga ito sa pangkalahatan gamit ang aking intuition. So, hindi ito paisa-isa na pagbabasa. I mean, this is not a one-to-one reading. Babasahin ko ang mga ito in general. So, ang gawin mo is, kukunin mo lang yung particular na mensahe na nag-resonate sa iyo personally, gamit ang iyong intuition. So, iwan mo na yung iba na mga mensahe na hindi nag-resonate sa iyo. Huwag mong isipin yun. Okay? Let's dive in. I have already shuffled the cards for you. The first card for you is the Three of Swords. The Three of Swords, ibig sabihin, nakaranas ka ng heartbreak. Heartbreak, maaring may kinalaman sa pag-ibig or kaya sadyang nasaktan yung puso mo dahil sinaktan ka ng ibang tao or nabigo ka sa isang sitwasyon. Okay? You're experiencing that heartbreak. Parang nabigo ka at ang nangyayari is talagang na-depress ka. Okay? And with the Three of Swords in the upright is the page of, this is the Page of Pentacles. Take a look at that. This is saying na balanse naman yung root chakra mo. Okay? So, makakatanggap ka ng panibagong, isang magandang balita. Okay? Ito'y may kinalaman sa pera. Okay? Kung nakikita mo yan. The pentacles are the material earth energy. Okay? Pasensya na sa aking kuko. Hindi pa ako nakapag linis ng aking kuko. Anyway, so we have here makakatanggap ka ng panibagong simula or panibagong layunin sa buhay. And or kaya ang iba sa inyo ay magkakaroon ng bagong plano, no? Bagong plano, bagong layout ng iyong plano. And magkakaroon ka ng talagang isang magandang oportunidad and isang magandang prospect, okay, na may kinalaman sa iyong pananalapi sa iyong negosyo or trabaho. Next, ito ang tinatawag na the Tower. The Tower. Ibig sabihin, dahil magkakaroon ka ng panibagong simula, kailangan is magkakaroon muna ng distraction. Ibig sabihin, sisirain mo na yung nakaraan mo na mga nakagawian, parang ganon. Distraction muna bago magkaroon ng panibagong simula. Okay? Halimbawa, kung gusto mo magkaroon ka ng panibagong oportunidad para magkapera, kailangan mo nang mangyari sa iyo yung distraction. Distraction in the sense na iiwan mo yung nakaraan mo na negosyo, nakaraan na trabaho, lisanin mo muna yan. Or kaya ikaw muna yung distraction in the sense na isisante ka ng iyong boss, tatanggalin ka sa trabaho. So malaking kawalan yon, no? It's a tower moment, it's a big distraction or on your part, pero after all tatanggap ka naman ng pentacle, no? Isang magandang balita, magandang oportunidad, magandang simula. Okay? And with that, sa pangalawang pile is Five of Pentacles. Five of Pentacles, ibig sabihin malungkot ka. Ang iba sa inyo ay malungkot kasi wala kayong pera, hindi nyo na-attract yung opportunity. Pero sa katunayan, ang opportunity ay nandito na, no? Malapit na sa iyo yung pintuan. Kaya lang hindi mo na-attract yung magandang oportunidad na ito kasi malungkot ka. Wala kang lakas na loob para bumangon, tumayo, at saka abutin yung susi para buksan ang pintuan ng oportunidad na may kinalaman sa pera. So, kailangan para mag-attract sa iyo ang oportunidad na ito, a door of opportunity is dapat mo nang hilumin dapat mo nang maghihilom yung sugat na nararamdaman mo sa iyong puso. This is double confirmation na malungkot ka talaga. You are emotionally unstable this time because of heartbreak. Okay? So, para mapanatili yung attraction ng money energy sa iyo, you should eliminate this. You should overcome this emotional instability so that you can have strength. Magkaroon ka ng lakas na loob na tumayo at saka kunin itong susi at mabuksan itong pintuan ng oportunidad. Daan para sa maraming oportunidad. Okay, the Temperance. Anyway, after all, magkakaroon ka naman ng balanse, no? You will experience peace, you will only experience through meditation, okay? And through meditation, you can gain new perspective, tranquility of your mind and heart, and harmonious relationship to some aspects of your life. Okay, this is also saying that your solar plexus chakra is active. This is Sagittarius energy, the Temperance, which is now the second arcana card in this reading. And with that, the Hierophant. Okay, so the Hierophant is saying that you will experience clarity. You will only gain new perspective through meditation. Okay? Itong Hierophant kasi, siya yung nangangahulugan na makakatanggap ka ng mensahe mula sa universe represented by this person, and this cord, this yung tali mula dito sa taong ito'y nangangahulugan na ito'y magsisilbing channel para ipadala niya yung kanyang mensahe sa'yo, and matatanggap mo lang ito sa pamamagitan ng meditation. With that meditation, you will gain new perspective the moment na matatanggap mo itong mensahe mula sa universe. You will only receive this intellectual downloads from the universe through meditation, simply because during meditation kasi sinasilence mo or pinapatahimik mo yung iyong isipan. Wala kang ibang iisipin kundi ang iisipin mo is yung natural state mo na nakaupo ka lang dyan, wala kang iniisip, tsaka nakikinig ka sa iyong kalooban, no? And because of that peacefulness that you are experiencing during meditation, that's gonna be the strongest moment for you to receive the message from the universe. Okay. Next is in the third pile is the Eight of Pentacles. The Eight of Pentacles, ito ay may kinalaman sa iyong mga abilidad, yung skills mo. Maaring meron kang abilidad sa pagsusulat, meron kang abilidad sa paggawa ng isang bagay, or meron kang abilidad sa pagtatanim ng mga halaman or bulaklak, or maaaring meron kang abilidad sa yung witchery, yung white witch, yung mga ritual, meron ka siguro abilidad nun, or kaya itong pagluluto, okay, yung pagluluto or paggawa ng mga gamot, herbal plants, or herbal medicine. So ito lahat diyan ka nakatuon. So meaning to say, you are gaining more skills, knowledge, and expertise in that creative pursuits, creative aspects that you are doing. And habang ginagawa mo ito, hindi mo alam na ito pala ang magbibigay sa iyo ng swerte, no? This will, through these skills that you are developing, you will gain material worth, no? Material worth. Magbibigay sa iyo ng swerte, magbibigay sa iyo ng financial success. Okay? So sooner or later you will reap the rewards for your hard work. Okay? Magbubunga rin ang lahat ng iyong pinaghihirapan. Okay. Tapos ito, Two of Pentacle. Teka, parang masyadong maraming pentacle dito. Pangatlong pentacle na ito. Ito ay nangangahulugan na hindi balanse. Hindi balanse yung pag-manage mo sa iyong pera, sa iyong career, family life, or love life. Dapat mo siyang tuunan ng pansin, no? Kung dito nakatuon ka masyado sa iyong creative pursuits, parang hindi mo na malaya na hindi na balance yon sa iyong career or sa iyong relationship. doon ka nakatuon sa iyong creative pursuits, tapos hindi na siya balanse sa iyong ito. The Temperance is double confirmation dito. Double confirmation ito. So, ibig sabihin, kaya mo rin palang kontrolin ang sarili mo mula dito sa heartbreak, dito sa Five of Pentacles. Nalalagpasan mo rin pala ito. I think this is temperance na negative. So, alamin natin ano yung temperance na negative. Number 14. Okay. So, hindi mo masyado makita. Okay. The temperance na negative is that your awareness of happiness has been dulled and your sense of self diminished. Are you free to act and think as you wish? It is time to awake. It is time to awaken to what limits you and discern what is out of balance. Something that once filled your heart with joy has turned to dust and ashes. New physical and psychological arrangements are necessary. So, ibig sabihin, magkakaroon ka ng clarity, magkakaroon ka ng eureka moment kapag nag-meditate ka. Kapag nag-meditate ka, nag-meditate ka, so matatanggap mo yung mensahe mula sa divine. And also, it is saying na mag-move on ka na, okay? Itong heartbreak na meron ka dito, you can actually filter this out and move on. Okay. Time to change things, okay? And for the karma cards, the first is about signs, and the sign is, this is Cancer, okay? Cancer is one of the zodiac signs, and the message to your soul is that you need to trust your intuition. Magtiwala ka sa iyong intuition, kasi yung intuition mo mula sa iyong third eye chakra is meron siyang mararamdaman na hindi alam ng iyong buong pangangatawan ng iyong sistema. Talagang yung intuition mo, yung sixth sense na pinaka makapangyarihan so far. Alam ni intuition kung ano ang ikakabuti mo sa iyong sarili. Pinuprotektahan ka ng intuition mo. So ngayon, dapat mong respetuhin kung ano man yung sinasabi ng intuition mo. Believe with what you are feeling right now. And to your mental aspect is that attitudes from the past about, wag mo nang isipin yung nakaraan mo na pangyayari na kung saan kayo nasaktan, na depressed. Okay? And consider it now as history in the sense na isa siyang subject na isa siya sa mga asignatura na dapat po siyang dapat marami kang natutunan. Okay, so consider the past heartbreaks as a subject for you to learn and move on, no? Consider it as an academic subject to study. Okay, ang mahalaga sa lahat is meron kang natutunan sa iyong karanasan. Okay, and ang pangalawang karma card sa'yo is also signs. Pero this is Gemini. Gemini, okay. You have an information to explain. Okay. Ito ang mensahe sa iyong kaluluwa na kung saan kapag matatanggap mo na ang intellectual downloads mula sa universe. So, it's the time that you're going to explain, no, and understand the meaning behind it. Okay, and to your mental aspect is that make communication to your mind. Always bear to your mind whatever things that you have learned through your intuition. And to your physical aspect is that make action, no, based from the things that you have learned from the past heartbreak. And next is that this is actually houses, and the house is the third house. The third house is saying to your soul that your ideas are very important, and its message to your mind is that you need to think of short-term trips. Okay, time to relax, to calm your mind, get out of your mind and live in the present, parang ganon. And be mindful of who is around you and what is around you. Okay, double confirmation na ito na makakatanggap ka ng mensahe mula sa universe. Ito, Hierophant, ipapadala niya yung mensahe gamit itong tali na ito. Tapos magko-connect siya dito sa may telepono. Ayan, yung wire na nakakonect siya doon sa telepono. Tapos maririnig mo siya dito sa receiver. Tapos ikaw na naman magkakaroon ka ng response, no, dito sa transmitter ba yun? And then kung matatanggap mo na yung mensahe mula dito sa Hierophant, mula dito sa universe, dadaan dito sa may wire or lubid, darating dito sa may telepono na to. Pag lumabas na siya dyan sa may butas ng transmitter ba yan or receiver, is agad-agad mo siyang isusulat dito sa mga papel na nakapaloob dito. Okay? Isusulat mo yan para hindi mo siya makalimutan. Okay? Yun. Ang ganda naman. Okay. And dito naman sa Powerful Thought Cards, no, the first message for you is be willing to forgive. Wow! So, may connection talaga itong heartbreak sa Three of Swords at saka itong depression caused by heartbreak dito sa Five of Pentacles. Tapos, ang practical advice sa'yo is be willing to forgive. Be willing to forgive and forget the past. Forget the past experiences that cause you much pain. Okay? And then here, the past is over. Tapos na lahat. Patawarin mo na yung mga tao na nanakit sa'yo. Kalimutan mo na sila lahat at kalimutan mo na rin yung mga nakaraan na karanasan dahil tapos na yon, no? The past is over. And affirm this to yourself na this is a new day every day, no? Affirm this to yourself every day that this is a new day, one that I have never lived before. I stay in the now and enjoy each and every moment. Wow, ang ganda. Live in the present moment, no? Forget the past, make the most in the present moment. Okay. Wow, at least, no, my income is constantly increasing. Okay. And affirm this to yourself. I begin now, today, to open myself to ever increasing prosperity. Wow. Good for you. I'm happy for you. Okay? But first, you need to overcome this depression. Forget the past and forgive the people who caused you pain. Because the past is over. And there's no point, and it has no power to your present anymore. There's no point of thinking more about it. In order to attract increase in income or financial increase. Okay. So this is what I have for you, my dear Libra. Just take the specific message that resonates to you using your intuition. I declare healing, clarity, and practical advice to you. See you in the next reading. Love and light.